guys, we are here charging, and Hannah is going to show you a really cool new feature that Ford now has that everybody's been asking for, and that is what, Hannah?
Oh, let's see.
What are you excited
this
about?
Little button. It's streaming. You can stream videos and stuff like that
on YouTube. So how do you get there? Can you show people how to get there without?
Sure.
So there you go.
Home, and then it has all these different things that you can watch.
Got to go under the entertainment tab, right?
Entertainment, not apps. Entertainment. And you just click this one, and it'll bring you to YouTube.
So what's your favorite YouTube channel that you can actually type in there and see?
Oh, I don't know. Let me just.
So let's just type in the F-150 Lightning mic, of course, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Let's see if it finds us in our own car. Let's see. There we go. How to jump start. There we go. You want to click on it and see if we can watch it?
Sure.
Watch our own videos. Okay, you got to turn up the volume a little bit.
We're back here showing you what it's like to
That's too high.
live in the day in the life of owner of a Ford Lightning.
There we go.
Like
Pause it.
Other videos you may watch.
All right. So what do you think about that?
I think that it's pretty cool, and yeah, it's a great little thing. I do not think that you can do it on the road, but if you're stuck here in a charger, which we are, it's a great little thing to kill time, you know?
Yeah. Awesome. There you go.